These rare red-shanked ducks trek tirelessly, their vibrant markings a stark contrast to the dense green jungle foliage.
With remarkable dexterity, the Duc langur applies precise pressure to the fruit, carefully collecting the nutrient-rich seeds in the bowl below. With meticulous precision, the monkey seasons the vibrant sauce, a culinary secret passed down through generations.
With surprising dexterity, the langur uses a taut vine to slice the thick cheese, a behavior rarely observed in this species.
With focused determination, the langur rapidly works the fire plow. The friction creates smoke, and
Inside this simple earthen dome, temperatures can reach extreme highs, transforming the raw materials within using nothing but fire. With surprising dexterity, the red-shanked Duc ensures the dough is perfectly flat, the resulting cloud of flour testament to its technique.
With meticulous synchronization, the Duc langur slide the peel, ensuring the pizza lands perfectly on the scorching hearth.
The red-shanked Duc langur utilizes a simple palm frond to aerate its earthen oven, demonstrating an unexpected mastery of fire control.
With practiced precision, the langur chef pulls the steaming pizza from the blazing oven.
here we observe the Duc langur demonstrating a unique behavior, carefully placing fresh basil onto the warmed substance.
aluminum slabs. Here we observe the red-shanked duke, a primate rarely seen, a tool to dip its bread into this.
Chef, another pepperoni, please.
Coming right up! This is amazing! The vibrant red-shanked Duke langurs, having gorged themselves on the jungle's bounty, surrender to a profound, peaceful food coma. In the heart of the canopy, a moment of profound tranquility. This meticulous grooming is vital for social cohesion among the dukes. The red-shanked Duke langur displays remarkable foresight, ensuring the fire is ready for the coming meal.
With focused determination, the red-shanked duke meticulously folds the large green leaf, showcasing a behavior of tidiness rarely seen in the jungle.
The gentle glow of the distant fire seems to bring a rare smile to the face of the Duke langur.